Hi friends and fellow Disney fans. Today I have a little unboxing video. Brad got me a special present and I'm gonna open it with you guys because it's Disney themed. I am so excited because I'm going to unbox a special Disney themed present with you guys. It is actually Brad and I's anniversary, so Brad got me a special Disney present. I'm not totally sure what it is, but I'm super excited to open it with you guys. But first, if you are new to this channel, I am Jamie. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So I'm here to help you with all your Disney planning needs. Make sure if you're new to this channel, you hit that little bell button so you can be alerted anytime that we put out new Disney planning content. And if you are interested in booking a Disney vacation with me, you can find all of my contact info in the description below. Okay guys, so this is the box. It is huge. So I'm very excited to see what is in it. I honestly have no idea. This is a Scentsy box. If you guys don't know, Scentsy is kind of like a candle wax company with melters and things like that. And they actually have a Disney line. So I am so excited to open this up and see what's in here. It's another box! Oh my goodness, I know what this is. Cinderella is one of my favorite princesses. She was definitely my favorite princess growing up. So I'm so excited to open this. I think I know what it is. What's it say? Oh, I love this. On the box, it says, "A dream is a wish your heart makes. Bippity boppity boo." So totally Cinderella themed. And then you get this little card with Cinderella picture. Super cute. It's Cinderella's carriage. Look, this is the top of it. Look at that gold detailing. And then here is the warmer. You can see all of the little things around it. It has the clock, it has the fairy godmother, and it has Cinderella dancing with her prince. How beautiful is that? I was totally eyeing this too. You had no idea, did you?
Nope. When I saw it, I know you love Scentsy and I know you love Cinderella, so it's like, this is a win-win.
See, Brad had no idea that I had been eyeing this and wanting it. Goodness, I'm so excited! Okay, so here's the bottom of the carriage. Then you can put the warmer right on there. And then this like this, so you can kind of see whatever you want kind of peeking out. You can have that peeking out just like that. That is beautiful. Look at the detail. We should plug it in. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Oh my goodness, I love it! Love it so much. I can have kind of like whatever little scene I want peeking through. That is so beautiful. I'm gonna put this right on my desk so everyone can see it. It is just gorgeous. I love this. Thank you, Brad. You guys, this is Cinderella's Carriage with Scentsy. It is so cute and beautiful. For any princess in your life, you are going to want to get this, or any Cinderella fan. This warmer works just like any Scentsy warmer. You plug it in. It actually has an on and off switch, so you can, right like that, just turn it on and off. Super easy. And you just put your wax right into the dish there, and then let it melt, and it will make your house smell amazing. I just love this little dish that it comes with. How beautiful is that? Such a great gift for any Cinderella fan or any princess in your life. So I want to thank you guys for opening that present with me. I have a pretty good husband, eh? He did good for our anniversary. As I mentioned before, I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So if you are interested in planning your next Disney vacation, give me a shout. You can contact me via email, jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can contact me through the website, which is www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video if you think Brad did good, and make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know if you have a Scentsy warmer at home, if you've been looking and shopping the Disney line. I want to hear from you guys what you think about my anniversary present. Also, make sure to take a moment to hit that little bell button so you can get alerted anytime we post any Disney planning or just Disney fun content. Thanks for watching. Bye!